The person you are thinking about is currently feeling a shift in their energy towards you. In the next few minutes, I am going to share the exact manifestation frequency that bypasses their ego and speaks directly to their heart. By the end of this video, you won't just feel chosen, you will see the physical proof in your reality. If you are ready to be their only priority, listen closely because the old version of your relationship ends right now. The more you listen to this, the easier and more powerful it will become. Now close your eyes, find a comfortable position, take a deep breath in through your nose, and let it out through your mouth. As you breathe, feel the weight of the world falling away. You are entering a sacred space, a space where time and distance do not exist. In this space, you and your person are already one. Feel your body becoming heavy. Relax your jaw. Relax your shoulders. You are safe. You are powerful. You are the creator of this moment. Now I want you to imagine a golden thread of light extending from your heart, reaching out across the distance and connecting directly to the heart of the person you desire. They feel this. Right now, as they go about their day, they feel a sudden, inexplainable pull towards you. The old blocks, the ego, the silence, the misunderstandings are dissolving. Now see them pick up their phone. They are typing. They are feeling a rush of love and a need to fix everything. They realize that life is simply better with you in it. Feel the relief in your chest. It is done. The how doesn't matter, and the when is now. Now repeat these words in your mind, feeling them as your absolute truth. I am their first and only priority. I am their first and only priority. They are reaching out to me right now to make things right. They are reaching out to me right now to make things right. Our connection is permanent, healed, and protected. Our connection is permanent, healed, and protected. Every block between us has been cleared. Every block between us has been cleared. I am worthy of the most beautiful, consistent love. I am worthy of the most beautiful, consistent love. They cannot stop thinking about me until they hear my voice. They cannot stop thinking about me until they hear my voice. The text I am waiting for is already on its way. The text I am waiting for is already on its way. Now gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you open your eyes, know that the version of you that was waiting is gone. You are now the version of you that has received. You have shifted the frequency. And from this moment on, look for the signs. You may see mirror hours like 4:44, 11:11, or 2:22. They are not coincidences. They are the universe confirming that the communication block has been cleared and your manifestation is landing into your physical reality. To lock this energy in and claim it for yourself, I want you to go to the comments right now and type, I am their priority, and the block is gone. Writing it down anchors the vibration into your physical world. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. And if you feel a deep pull to manifest them even faster and want to dive deeper into my specific techniques, visit my website at joybyjanell.com and get my free obsession spell. I also have other tools. They are specifically designed to collapse time and bring your person back into your arms permanently. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.